Got a package from Jody Sims. Jode 0. Let's see what's in here. Got a letter, got a note, got a keychain. Wastelands Winter Invitational. That's what we just had. I was on Team Honcho with Eddie Papandrea. Here's one of Jody's stickers. Jode 0 Diecast project. Let's see. Jim, hey buddy, enclosed are some prizes for the Winter Invitational race, which is good because I did not do well in the race, and yet I'm getting prizes. Enclosed is Eddie's car. He wanted your car, so turnabout is fair play. Go Team Honcho. Thanks for being part of Deathrace 2025. That is coming up. You rock. Good luck and see you at the track. Take care and God bless. Jody, Jode 0. Thank you, Jody. Let's see. What did I get for my terrible performance in the race? Let's see. Aston Martin V12 Speedster. That's pretty cool. Oh, I love these Volkswagen T2 pickups. Yeah, you can use the base for a lot of things, as Bradley mentioned recently in a Diecast Exchange live stream. Hot Wheels Rapid Response. That's what I needed during the Winter Invitational. Lots of times. I did terribly. Porsche Taycan Turbo S. Cool. Mazda Cosmo Sport. Man, that is orange. That's pretty cool. That'd be cool to do something with. I got to figure out something to do with that. What's this one? 17 Pagani Huayra Roadster. Let me try and pronounce that right. Man, Jody, you sent a bunch of stuff. And McLaren Elva. I've got to do something with that. It's a cool car. I hate that livery on it, though. That's just, yeah. And then, throw that bag away. This has got to be Eddie's car. Let's see. We both had Porsches that our team was assigned for the race. I'm going to need some scissors for this. I do believe. Yeah, the only saving grace to Team Honcho is that Eddie did well. And there's his Porsche. Check that out. That's pretty cool. The custom exhaust pipes on the engine that's mounted sideways in there. Pretty cool. Did much better than my car did in the race. Like I said, it was the saving grace for Team Honcho. So there you have it. Thanks, Jody. I'm really looking forward to Deathrace 2025. There's a video of my build for that race on the channel. It also has a link to Jody's channel and the announcement of Deathrace 2025. That race is coming up, as I recall, in the middle of July. So anybody who wants to get in on it, there is still time to build something for it. So thanks again, Jody. See you at the race.